Hi guys! Welcome to the new video. Ayan. So, andito na naman kami nagka-camping sa Welton-on-Thames Caravan and Club. Ayan. So, bagong place. Ayan. Diyan si Joe. Hi.
Hi, this is my shower.
Gumagawa siya kasi walang facilities dito na shower tsaka toilet. So, bumili kami ng aming shower stuff. At ngayon ay nagluluto ako guys ng aming dinner. Ayan. So, ayan. Andiyan yung mga alat namin. Ayan si Joe. Konti pa lang yung nandito. Ayan. Ayan. At ako'y nagluluto. Ayan. Ano na siya. Meron akong chicken curry. Ayan. Chicken curry. Tapos, meron akong pork chop. Tsaka, how you call this one?
Rice.
Rice. Fried rice.
Keep them up.
Ayan. Magluluto ako ng bean sprouts. Tsaka yung, ayan, mushrooms. Ayan. So, ito yung aming dinner, guys. So, ayan guys, magluluto ako. Oh, parang nasusunog na. Hinaan natin yung apoy. Ayan. What's the time, Joe?
I don't know about them. Be on the
Ayan.
phone.
So, magluluto ako ng dinner kasi walang shop dito. So, kailangan mo talaga magluto. Ayan. Ano lang siya? Gigisa ko lang sa bawang. Hugas na ito, pero hugasan ko lang ulit. Nang makasiguro tayo. Babad muna sa tubig. Ayan. Itong mushroom. Kalahati lang. Yung ano ko sa mushroom. So ito guys, mushrooms and sprouts. So ayan guys. Gisa-gisa. Ayan. Tapos ito is fry rice. Ayan, meron siyang pork chop dyan. Kasi nagluto ako ng pork chop sa bahay. Kagahapon, yun ang aming dinner. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung chicken curry. Masarap yan guys, chicken curry. Ayan. So ayan na yung toilet ni Joe. What's this for?
Just put your shoes.
Ah,
They don't want to put it inside because you want to
no.
wash her in your
Yeah. So ayan na yung kanyang toilet. Pump shower. So
Good for you, but it's very small for me.
yeah, you can sit down when you have
Yeah.
a wash. Ayan. So
Nice
nandoon
extension.
yung kuhaan ng tubig dyan sa gitna. Ayan. I think it's nice over there because there is that we are exposed to the heat tomorrow.
I like here.
Yeah, so ayan guys. Ayun guys, nagdagdag ako ng broccoli. Ayan. So, malapit na. Ayan, mayroon ako ditong Himalayan salt. Ayan. Salt sa Himalaya. Kunti lang. Ayan. Ayan, malapit na maluto. Pulo. Ayan. Guys. That's it. Dinner is finished. We're gonna have dinner. Huh?
We need to put a chair and tabletop out.
Yeah. Can we do that later? That one?
No, it'll be 2 minutes.
Are you sure?
If not, I'll do it later.
Yeah, because we're gonna have a dinner. Ayan, kuhanin ko muna yung... Ayan. Ito yung aming shower, guys. Ayan. Marami na siyang lime scale kasi ginagamit yan ni Joe doon sa ano. Ayan. Ayan, ito pa yung extra naming ano, solar panel. Kaya nga lang mayroon ng tawag nito. Mayroong electric. So it's okay. Ayan. Joe.
Yeah.
Ayan, naglalagay siya ng ano.
You want mine, Don?
It's so small, the space.
It'll be sufficient. It'll be sufficient. I'll take a selfie sometime, yeah.
Oh, the sun's... I take this back.
I think I'll sit down first.
No, I take this. So that we have space.
Done.
No, can you wait?
Ready? I think another forecast.
With the pan in my hand. So hungry.
That's it, I'm done.
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, there's Wi-Fi here, man.
It is.
Mm.
Is it good Wi-Fi?
I don't know, there's a code in there.
Mm, that is good. Oh. How was it?
Very nice.
Kain tayo, guys.
I like to go camping in our tent sometime.
Wow.
Anyway.
10?
Mm.
Again?
Mm.
You don't want a camper van, you want a tent?
Camper van most of the time, but
No. I want camper van. I don't want in my tent.
We got all the stuff for the tent. So send the tent to Bacolod.
Nice.
What's this one, then?
I don't know.
Or maybe skin.
I don't know. Just leave it on your plate. Leave it to me. How's the dinner? Is the vegetable nice?
Delicious. Curry and chop suey.
Yeah.
It's like Indian, Chinese fusion.
With Filipino. Yun ang part ng costume ni Joe.
Not the food.
What's that? So, ayan guys. Uy, wala akong ulo. Tanda sa dulan-dulan. So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming kumain. At ang interesting, pagkatapos kumain is maghugas ng pinggan. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito ay may sink din yung ano namin. Kaya, ay nga lang maingay. Ayan. Maingay siya kasi may pump na paakyat ng tubig. So, dahil limited yung tubig. So, kailangan magtipid tayo ng tubig dahil mamaya si Joe ang ano ng tubig. Nag-iigib siya ng tubig. So, ayan. Ito muna. Medyo maingay siya. Kailangan bilisan kasi mabilis yung ano ng tubig. Mabilis yung daloy pag maano siya. Ayan. Pag konti lang puputol siya guys. Mag-iigib na naman ulit. Bilis, mabilis. bilis. Ayan. So, dito pala yun. So, ito yung buhay camping guys. Ayan, buhay camping. Medyo naglalagay ng ilaw sa labas. At, ayan. Kasi may bago siyang ilaw. Mahilig si Joe sa mga lights. Ayan, yung hobby niya. Ayan. Mahilig din siya yung mga DJ yun ang gusto niya, music party. Ayan. So yun na, tapos mabilisan maghugas ng plato guys. Malinis naman siya dahil itong platong to hindi dito dumidikit yung ano tawag nito, yung langis. Ayan, hindi siya maganda ang pagkaano niya. Ayan, lalagay ko yung leftover na food dito. gulay tsaka yung curry. Sayang kasi. Pwede pang iinit yan bukas. Halo-halo na yan. Halo-halo. Ayan. Tapos i-ref. Ayan. Hal, we have chocolate here. You want some chocolate? Yeah. Break ko. Ayan. Ito yung pamunas ko guys. Para hindi na ako maglaba ng ano tawag nito. Hindi ako maglaba ng tuwalya. So, mas maganda ito kasi ayan, easy na lang. Tsaka may chocolate pala kami dito. Ayan, binigay ng kapatid ng aking bossing. Ayan. So, puntahan natin si Jo sa labas. Kasi nag-ano siya. Ayan, yung naglalagay siya ng ito, ilaw. So, hindi pa tapos. Ayan. So noisy.
Yeah.
I think
Good noise down there.
yeah, I think there's a gate in there.
Might be why.
Yeah. Ayan. So ito yung sink namin guys. Ayan oh. Ayan yung tubig dito. Tsaka dito sa baba yung kanyang ayan oh. Tapos yung mga inumin na tubig namin nandyan. Ayan. So mag-post. Mag-ano ako nito. Oh. Ayan. So, mas maganda yung kitchen towel kasi itatapon mo lang, hindi ka na maglaba uli ng linis. Pero dito lang yan, ginagamit ko. Dito lang sa ano. Dito lang. Is it ready to switch on?
It is.
Ah, it's electric.
Yeah. What do you think, gas?
I thought that one is like
Solar.
chargeable. Yeah, like a solar one.
No, because they're not usually most powerful.
Ah, okay. So Joe, what do you have in there?
I have some lights. String lights
Made of
from Govi. LEDs.
LED lights.
Yeah, and
Okay.
you can get them to move with the music or have different scenes.
You can do on your telephone
Yeah, with the app.
control. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the moment of truth. If it's work.
I'm sure it's work. Govi's always work.
Hey.
Oh, you don't even have to.
Yeah. So ayan la
I'll
guys.
just leave it plain, yeah, for now.
Yeah. So this is Govi lights. Ayan. Oh, it's outside. It's not inside.
Outside.
Outside.
Just one inside.
Yeah.
That's okay, though.
Okay lah.
There's another string there. It's 2 locks.
So. So ayan guys. Ay gumagabi na. I think it's 10 o'clock, yeah. So,
It's 1, huh?
tatapusin ko na yung vlog na ito. Ito lang muna yung aming vlog for today kasi pagod. Kagaling lang namin magtrabaho. Diretso kami dito. How many hours we did? Switch off. How many
Yeah,
hours? Did
Driving?
we? Yeah.
No, it's about 1.5, isn't it?
1.5.
Yeah.
So, 1.5 hours kami guys. Kaya pagod na pagod kami. Umalis kami is 6 o'clock. So, 7:30 nagluto, nagprepare.
should have put on the inside.
Yeah. So, ayan. Ayan. Namumblema siya ng kanyang ano. Joe. So, ito lang muna. So, thank you for watching.
See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Ayan guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ring the bell.
And ring the bell, sabi ni Joe. Thank you. God bless. Bye. Oh, nakalimutan ko yung chocolate pala, guys. Yeah. Ayan. Buksan muna natin ito bago matapos ang gabi. Hang on. Look at himself.
White truffle.
What you got?
Caramel soft. Oh, I like orange truffle.
Orange
I
truffle.
can't decide, man. Truffle hearts.
Huh?
You want the truffle hearts?
No, anything. The one with
No,
orange.
there's only one. You have that one.
No, you have that one. I have.
I'll have the yeah, the orange is nice.
It's okay. We eat the orange first.
Oh, salted caramel
Oh,
charm.
you do first.
Salted caramel charm, if I know
Yeah.
it. Inside. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, so hard.
Change. Yeah, of
Let's
course
do
it's
that.
caramel. There's a lot of
Salted
sugar.
caramel. I thought it was like a soft one.
No.
What?
It's alright.
Teeth breaker.
Okay. Ayan, matigas daw. Matigas daw yung sa kanya. Ito sa akin is orange. Parang din siyang orange. Oh. Ayan. Madilim. This one is nice.
Have we got the circle ice one?
What?
The round light thing.
Yeah.
I could put that on the inside.
Okay na. Thanks. Bye. Are you comfy in there? Are you comfy in there?
Oh, very good. Holiday mode.
Holiday mode. Yes.
Chillax mode. Festival mode.